This video explains how to set up barcode defect inspection. As shown on the screen, this is the label used for the demonstration. Setting up barcode defect inspection requires the barcode recognition module. Click the Analyze Barcode button at the top right corner of the screen. Click the corresponding inspection box. Check the Blemish inspection on the right side. After enabling it, click Finish. Click the Barcode Recognition module to view the detailed settings. Blemish inspection has been enabled. The algorithm is set to QR code blemish inspection. The NG blemish area is automatically calculated by Analyze Barcode. Check the detailed blemish settings for the 1D barcode. Blemish inspection has been enabled. The algorithm is set to 1D barcode big blemish V6. The NG blemish area is also automatically calculated. The setup is complete. Click Start. Enter the printing software. Print one normal label. Then print one label with blemish on it. Return to Bell C. The second label is detected with defects and triggers an alarm. The QR code defect is accurately detected. Let's check the 1D barcode. The defect in the 1D barcode is also accurately detected. The inspection result for the first label is OK. The second label is NG. This concludes the barcode blemish inspection.